Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by picking the sinker weight, heavier for deep water and strong current, lighter for finesse. Once done, attach a swivel or split shot leader to prevent line twist and make sure to tie a strong knot, improved clinch or palomer, leaving 6 to 12 inches of tag for a leader. You do this because sinker weight controls presentation speed and a clean knot maintains hook set power. Now prepare your bait or soft plastic. While you cast a structure, rocks, drop-offs, weed edges, using a 3/4 to full stroke so the sinker reaches target. Once it lands, make sure to count beats based on weight and depth, then lift and allow the rig to fall. This creates subtle bait movement that triggers strikes. If you feel a tap, pause for a split second, then set the hook firmly. You vary retrieve speed and rod tip angle to keep the bait in the strike zone and to read bottom composition. You bring fish in with steady, controlled pressure. If it runs, let it take drag but keep tension and pump and reel when it tires. Once landed, inspect knots and line for wear. If you keep snagging or missing strikes, change to a different sinker size or shape to alter fall rate and presentation. Flatter sinkers skip over structure while compact ones bite into current. If problems persist, check swivel alignment and replace any abraded leader. That usually fixes lost fish or cutoffs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.